In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to your Wix site. This process is an essential part of establishing your online presence. So let's dive right in and get you set up seamlessly. We're starting our journey at the Wix dashboard, your command center where you manage various features of your website. Once you're there, look for the Domains tab. This is your gateway to the world of domain management and connection. Click on it and you'll see the options unfold before you. Whether you're buying a new domain or connecting an existing one, it's all managed right here. Let's say you want to connect a domain you already own to your Wix account. You'll see an option to buy or connect domain. As you explore these options, go ahead and select that. If buying a new domain is what you're here for, follow the prompts to search for and secure your ideal site address, completing the transaction to make it officially yours. If you're connecting an existing domain, you'll need to follow a slightly different path. At this stage, whether you're purchasing or connecting, Wix will ask you to follow specific instructions tailored to your choice. These instructions are designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each phase with clarity. Pay close attention to what appears on your screen. If you're connecting a domain from a different provider, Wix will offer you two primary connection methods: pointing and name server connection. Ensure you choose the one that matches your needs best. If you opt for pointing, get ready to head over to your domain provider's site. Here, you'll change specific DNS settings to point at Wix's IP address, making sure everything aligns correctly. If your choice leans toward changing the name server, note that this method effectively hands over your domain management to Wix completely. You'll need to replace your current name servers with those provided by Wix. Each method has its benefits, and knowing which aligns with your requirements is key. Whichever method you choose, the instructions will include precise details and step-by-step actions you need to take. Don't hesitate to pause this video while you make those changes. There's no rush. Remember, diligent attention to the instructions will spare you potential headaches later. Also, keep in mind that DNS changes might take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, so a bit of patience goes a long way here. As you complete these steps, your domain will soon be connected to your Wix site, helping you build a professional and recognizable online identity. Take this time to double-check everything, ensuring each detail is accurate. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to connect your domain to your Wix site using the Wix dashboard. I hope this guide has been helpful and empowers you to advance your website building journey. Until next time, feel empowered to continue shaping your online presence with confidence and creativity. Happy building!